Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. A wonderful day, a wonderful evening if you're watching this at nighttime. I'm just so excited about this because this is one of the favorite topics that I would love to discuss, especially in my seminars on how to overcome failure and rejection. If you're experiencing a lot of failures recently in your life, this is the video blog for you. But let me explain this in Filipino and Tagalog. Natatakot ka ba mag-fail sa buhay? Natatakot ka bang ma-reject? Gusto mong bang makawala dito sa mga fear of rejection, fear of failure, fear of what other people might say? So if you want to really be out of this, no? Let me encourage you. Do not live in regret. You know why? Because there are a lot of people who always live in regret. Maraming sa huli lang pagsisisi. Ito yung mga tao nagsabi, if I only tried, if I only take the risk, if I was only strong enough or brave enough, if only. Lalunod na tayo sa pag-isip sa ating mga nakaraan kung ano yung mga nagawa natin. Kaya ito ang sasabihin ko sa iyo. Habang may pagkakataon pang magbago, habang may pagkakataon pang kumilos, habang malakas ka pa, kailangan wag mong gawin yung mga bagay na gustong gawin mo yesterday, wag mong gawin at planuhin tomorrow. You got to do it what? Today. So, huwag mong masyadong isipin yung mga nakalipas na pagkakamali mo. Huwag mo rin iisipin kung anong mangyari in the future kung ikaw ay magkamali. You just got to start now. Focus on right now. Pero Chinky, wait. Wait. Alam ko iniisip mo. Ano iniisip mo? Paano mo ma-overcome yung fear of failure? Yung mga fear of rejection na yan? Bibigyan kita ng simple guide in order for you to overcome them. Number one, are you ready? Stop thinking. Ha? Masyado ka kasing nag-iisip, kapatid. Masyado ka nag-a-analyze sa mga bagay-bagay. No? Ang tinatawag nga namin analysis paralysis. Gumagawa tayo minsan ng senaryo sa ating isipan at ng kwento. And then, imbis na magagandang iniisip natin, imbis na magandang senaryo ang mga ginagawa natin, alam mo ginagawa natin, kanikahan. Diba? At kinakatakutan. Bago tayo sumakay ng aeroplano, iniisip natin, paano kung mag-crash? Bago tayo mag-exam, tapos iniisip natin, paano kung mag-fail? Bago tayo mag-umpisa ng negosyo, iniisip natin, paano kung malugi? Diba? Napaka-negative talaga. So, don't create that scenario. So, what do you need to do? Relax. Relax ka muna and then, instead na isipin mo, ba't hindi ako tatanggapin? Bakit di mo sabihin na, paano kung matanggap ako? Imbis na sabihin mo, hindi ako magsasucceed, what if kung nagsucceed ako? Imbis na sabihin mo, paano kung mangyari ulit yung dati, nag-fail ako? Hindi. What if kung magwagi ka naman ngayon? What if you succeed naman right now? Diba? Malaking pagbabago yan. Huwag kang mag-focus sa negative. Focus on the what? Positive. So right now, after you have already started to pre-program your mindset, stop thinking about the negative, start thinking about the positive. What do you need to do with the positive things that you have thought about or you're thinking about? Start doing. Start doing. Jump in. Take in the plunge. Just do it. Hindi mo malalaman na ikaw ay matututo o marunong magbike hanggat hindi ka sumusubok na magbike. Hindi mo malaman na ikaw ay marunong lumangoy o natuto ka na lumangoy unless you jump into the swimming pool. Hindi mo rin malalaman ang resulta ng isang bagay kung hanggat hindi mo gagawin ang isang bagay. Ang nangyari, nakatenga ka lang, nakatunga nga at wala nang iniisip kundi again yung mag-fail. Tatandaan mo mga kapatid, kahit anong strategy, kahit anong ganda ng plano, kung ito ay walang action, walang silbi ang plano. So when are you going to do this? When are you going to do this? Let me encourage you, start today. You start now. Ang mga taong nagsasucceed sa buhay ay yung mga tao na nalalaman kung kailan sila titigil sa kanilang pag-iisip ng negative and they will start doing the positive. Again, let me encourage you, stop thinking about the negative and start doing the positive. I hope this short video is enlighten you. Stop thinking, but you start doing. This enlighten you. Again, I hope that you would subscribe to this YouTube channel and then also recommend this YouTube channel to other people so that other people can also be enlightened and be encouraged. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.